Good afternoon, students. Today it's EVS1 activity period. Okay, you all like all the activities? Okay, very good. So now today we are going to do a activity which is based on your lesson number 4. Okay. Now yesterday we have learned that some substances dissolve in water, whereas some substances do not dissolve in water. Okay. Dissolve means mix in water. Some substances mix in water, whereas some do not mix in water. Okay. Now those substances which mix in water or those dissolve in water are called as soluble. Okay. And those substances which do not dissolve in water are called as insoluble substances. Okay. Now in this activity you have to take a glass half filled with water, okay, and some substances names are given here, okay, some soluble and some insoluble substances names are given, okay. So you have to mix one by one each of the thing in the glass, and you have to make a observation. You have to observe what happens, okay. You have to put one by one each substance in the glass, and you have to stir it with a spoon. See, like this, you have to mix with the spoon, okay. Then you have to observe and put a tick in correct box. Whatever observation you make, if it is matching with the box, then you have to put there tick, okay. Now like this box you have to draw in your notebook. First one, things. The name of the things which I will give you in the next slide, that things you have to write. First box is written as dissolved or mixed in water. If the substance dissolve in water, you have to put tick. Second one, did not dissolve in water. If it does not dissolve in water, okay, then put tick, okay. Color of water changes. If color of water changes, then put tick. Could not be seen in water. If it could not be seen in water, put a tick, okay. If anything which is not happening, then leave that box as blank, okay. One I will do for you, okay. As usual I am doing one for you. I will do it so that you get a idea how to do the activity, okay. Now first thing is sugar. So this is sugar here, okay. So now in the box, in the thing, you write first one, sugar. Then does the sugar dissolve? Did you see? Did you put the sugar in the glass and mix it? What did you see? Does it dissolve in water? Yes, it dissolve in water. So put a tick. Second one, did not dissolve in water. Yes, sugar dissolve in water. So we have put a tick in dissolve in water. So leave did not dissolve box as blank, okay, because that did not happen. Color of water changes. Does the color of water changes? No. So leave it blank, okay. Could not be seen in water. Does the sugar after dissolving, are you able to see the sugar? No, you are not able to see. So put a tick there, okay. Whatever you are observing, put a tick there only. What you have not observed, leave it as blank, okay. Now you have to do this with the another substances also which I have given, okay. First one is sugar. Second is salt, okay. This is salt, okay. Mix it, put in the glass salt, then observe what happens. If it dissolves, put in dissolve tick, okay. Next, third one, turmeric powder. Fourth is alum powder, okay. Alum, you have to take the powder of alum, okay. Fifth, coffee powder. Sixth is oil, okay, which is used for cooking. Seventh one, black pepper, okay. Eighth one, sawdust. See, this is sawdust, the particles of wood, okay. Ninth one, honey, okay. Mix it in the water and just observe. If you don't have these things available at home, you can search in Google. 10th one stone. 11th lemon juice. 12 wheat flour. 13 jelly. 14 rice. 15 wax. 16 poster color. 17 milk. 18 sand. 19 chalk powder. And 20, this is the last one, rangoli powder, okay, which you use for decorating your house. Okay, these all things you have to dissolve in water and you have to observe and you have to tick accordingly in the correct boxes. Okay, this is the activity for today, students. Thank you so much, students. Do like, comment and share for more videos, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.